Chief Executive Member jong Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council uma Thombor Shiwan ula Wanrah ka mang tyngka ka baduna hado lai klur nrupho lak khat 1,000 shispa tyngka ha ka dorbar mang tyngka ka balalong ha kandai trik unai ber arajar arpulai CEM hamba Wanrah ka ni ka mang tyngka ka baduna lai klur tyngka na ka bintau snem arajar arpulai ula ang baka council kalamang ban iohlum pisan ka estimate receipt hado shis pa hanyo pu saw klur san pu kandai lak lai pu prahajar saw spa tingka kat baga jingmang ban penlut neka estimate expenditure pat kalong 8,000 spa san klur kat kandai lak san pu 8,000 san spa tingka usi ia mula ongru ba ka jingduna ka jingmang pisan ka jinglum ka dai ka jingkinteu ya ka tulap namar ka annual increment bat ka dearness allowance sha ki nong trei jong ka council nangta ki pensioner bat ka family pensioner jong ka council ka way pade ka dai ka jing pentrai kam ni ka pension jong ki khot barim ka council ya ka bala tip kum ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council Members Pension Act 2000 khandai ke area revise pay jong ki members employees badru ki pensioners jong ka council ki bemshim lala aban pelat ha uni usnem balara syaka mangtingka jong usnem 2000 arpulai arpusa.
The budget of the Jaintia Hills Council here in Accra refers to ask the District Council budget for the financial year 2023-24, which are to be credited or is to be made from the district fund of this council as laid down into what the duna of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous State Constitution of the Council Rule 1991 as adopted and amended by the State Council. This is the last project of the present executive committee before the general election to this district council scheduled to be held during the year 2024. At the outset, before the August House deliberate the proposed project, I would like to refer the attention of the honorable members of the actual receipt of the council from all sources in the last financial year 2021-22, which is rupees 70.69 crore, and the total expenditure of the rupees 82.66 crore. The shortage or deficit was met from the opening balance of the financial year 2021-22. The detail of the actual receipt and expenditure may be verified from the actual balance of the financial year 2021-22 shown in the budget. With regard to the current financial year 2022-23, the executive committee, through its continuous effort, received rupees 70 crore 80 lakh 11,649 only from major duna, whereas taxes on motor vehicles has not been received till. The share of revenue received from the state government, along with other revenue received of the council, have been utilized for payment of the pending salary of the members, employees, and pensioners of our council for 30 months, that is, from May 2021 to May 2022, as a fund of loan to civil war department and other allocable contingency expenditures. In the face of immense financial crisis, the executive committee, with the cooperation of the honorable members of this House, the officers, the staff of the council, have come up with the following achievements. Number one, annual account. During the years 2022-23, our council compiled the annual account for the year 2019-20 and 2021 and submitted to the Accountant General Audit Meghalaya Syllad. The remaining annual account for the year 21-22, which has become due, will be submitted by March 2023. Number two, establishment of 2 new markets. To escalate the economic status of the people of Tanzania, the executive committee established 2 private markets, namely Yao Chai Muscat and Yao Northern, both in iaka Latian. Number 3, fees from judiciary has been collected as per the revised rate mentioned in the Code Rule 2019 duly accepted by the Governor. 4. The additional code office building of Dhar, as we could see, is in the verge of completion. But 5. Development work from the time and underground received during the previous year, our council could implement the 234 scheme projects from April 2022 up to January 2023, which include drinking well, school building, community hall, sanitary public, toilet, playground, footpath, washing platform, etc. in different localities of the Jamtay state. Drawing the attention of the House to the proposed budget estimate for the ensuing financial year 2020-2024, which bear an estimate receipt of rupees 174.59 lakhs and 8,400 only as against the estimate expenditure of rupees 205 crore 19 lakh 52,500 only, thus reflecting a deficit of rupees 30 crore 60 lakh 14,100 only. Deficit in the budget occurred due to the following reasons. Number 1, increase in salary due to annual increment and generous allowance of all the employees, pensioners, family pensions of the council. Number 2, implementation of the Joint General Council Members Pension Act 2019. 3, the annual revised pay of the members, employees, and pensioners of the council, which could not be cleared during the current financial year, has been carried over through the coming financial year 2023-24. Number 4, granting of menial allowance to Class 2 officers of the council. To overcome the deficit, the executive committee will take its best effort to tap revenue from whatever sources available as empowered under the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. To increase the revenue collection from taxation department, the executive committee has decided to revise the date of trading license by bringing amendment to the Joint General Autonomous District regimen by non-tribal as Amendment Rule 2023. With respect to the share from the government, I assure the House that the Executive Committee will continue to pressurize the government to release the due share of the Council from both major and minor income and also taxes on motor vehicles. Coming to the expenditure in order to minimize the expenditure and to decrease the strength of staff, the esteemed committee has decided to abolish Grand Banking, Fishery and Agriculture Department, and all duties and functions of the Forest Department has been vested on Grand Number 11, Market Department. In order to have sound and effective administration, the esteemed committee has sanctioned 2 posts of data entry operator in the finance department, 2 posts of data entry operator in the judicial department, and 1 LDA in the legislative department. The same will be promoted or transferred from the existing staff of the council with a view to establish an effective internal control mechanism in the council to ensure compliance of Act, rules, procedures, policy of the council, efficiency in functioning by each of the department, and also to protect the council from occurrence of fraud, waste of resources. The executive committee created an internal audit wing to be commenced from the month of April 2023, headed by internal audit officer, with all other staff to be deputed from the existing staff of our council. Regarding the development activities, even though the council do not have sufficient funds to carry out development work from its own source of revenue, but with the funding of the central government through 15 Finance Commission, I hope we are able to implement many important activities which can bring benefit to the people of Jaintia Hills Estate. In this project, besides normal civic service schemes to be implemented by the CQD, the executive committee has put a budget provision of rupees 1 crore for minor irrigation project and rupees 1 crore for development of fisheries and fish sanctuary in Grand Number 11, which would benefit the farmer of our district. Taking into consideration on the richness and diversity of our culture, combined with the natural and scenic beauty of the region, the state committee also focused to promote tourism in our district with a view to uplift the economic status of the people of the district. Therefore, a budget provision of rupees 1.75 crore is a mark for achieving the target in arts and cultural department. Lastly, Mr. Chairman, I'd like to express my gratitude to you and all the honorable members of this House, officers and staff of our country, for the continuous support they have extended toward the esteemed committee for the last 4 years, amidst of difficulties arising out of financial constraints. It is time for us to set aside all our differences and stand united for our council and to collectively take responsibility to protect our district council and to promote the interests of the people of that state. Such a matter, which is the work, the proposed project estimate for the fiscal year 2023 and 24 is now placed for deliberation of the House. Thank you.
The budget for the financial year 2023-24 has been placed before the House. So, as per rules 112, para 2 of the Assam and Meghalaya Constitution of this Council, rules 1951, as adopted and amended, The budget cannot be discussed and passed in the same day. Therefore, discussion and passing of this budget will be done tomorrow.